Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the pure baby face filter on TikTok. So if you're looking for the filter in TikTok, you will not get the filter here in TikTok because this filter is from Instagram. So you need to install Instagram, and once you done with Instagram installation, this is the filter you need in Instagram, pure baby face. To get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Sasa is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter also. She's having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery. Look carefully. She's having too many filters. Yeah, this is the filter, pure baby face. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not finding the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, so what we have to do, we'll make a video here in Instagram and we'll save the video to our camera roll in Instagram. Then from there we can use the video in TikTok. So let me make a video. Okay, let me save it. Now let's go to TikTok. Now this is the upload button in TikTok. Tap there. And this is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Hit next again. If you want to add some sound or some effect, you can add here. And once you are done with all your editing, you can hit next. And you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this pure baby face filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.